Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? It's the last day of March, March 31st, crazy. Wanted to go over the agenda and objective and also your do now for today. Remember that every single thing that you do, I am looking at 4 o'clock to see that it's done. That's what determines your attendance. But as you're going to see today with your do now, I want you to be making sure that you are completely understanding the assignments, making sure that the questions, if you're not getting them right, that you're getting the help that you need from me. Um, so that you can be learning and that your grades can maintain the level that they were at when we were together, because grades are locking this Friday. I'm not sure if you're aware of that. So let's go over our agenda. That will be a little bit more clear. Okay. So our main goal and objective is that we will be able to analyze an author's argument using textual evidence. Before we do that, we're going to do a quick do now, and then your assignment is posted in Actively Learn today. So your do now, what I want you to do is I want you to go into SchoolBrains and check your grades. I put in a bunch of work from yesterday and from weeks prior, and especially last week. So I want you to go in, I want you to look at your grades, and I want you to answer the following questions. Starting on 3/16, which is the day that we started virtual learning, what have been your lowest grades, right? Has it been the Actively Learn? Has it been the vocabtest.com? Has it been completing do nows in Google Classroom? I want to know. Number two, how will you work to improve them? So what can you do to improve those? Is it completing them with your best effort? Is it coming into Google Meet during our assigned time and getting help from me? And then number three, what do you need help with? What's not clicking for you? What are the things that you're struggling with that's preventing you from putting out your best work? Any of those types of things. A little caveat is that if you do not address the proper dates of assignments since virtual learning began, you will not get credit for the do now. So if you're saying like, oh, I failed this test back in February, that's not going to fly for this assignment. I just want you to focus on everything from March 16th to now. Tomorrow, though, we will have an opportunity to make up old grades from before virtual learning. So that's kind of the goal for tomorrow. And I'm still figuring out how that's going to work for us. But I don't want you to stress about prior grades if that's what's really bringing you down. But I want you in this do now just to address everything from March 16th to today, March 31st. Once you're done that, you're reading an article in Google in Actively Learn today. It's called "Should We Scoff at the Idea of Love at First Sight?" So you're going to read the assigned article and all the questions. When we were reading Anthem last week, we have to be thinking about like that interaction between equality and liberty in the text Anthem, and the interactions that they were having, and equality being really taken by liberty and interested in her. So the main question that you're going to be answering at the end of your text, at the end of the text once you read it, is analyze the author's argument that some people can fall in love at first sight, right? So is it true? Is it not true? Also, does this relate to the interactions between equality and liberty in Anthem? Why or why not? Then you're supporting your answers with examples from the text. You're going to use Tide. So yes, if there's any questions about Tide, what that looks like, if you have questions about that question or how to answer it, I will be in Google Meet until 10:40, and then after 10:40, you can send me a text or an email. The text today is about Romeo and Juliet, something that you guys have read in the past, so it should be easy to like understand what's going on. And I'll be posting in Google Classroom the specifics about what the grades today will be assigned as and graded as. So one of them will be a homework and one of them will be a classwork. That way we can continue to diversify your grades. So again, if you have questions, come find me. Once you have done your do now, if you have questions about your grade, today is a good day to bring up those concerns with me. So I hope that you're having a great morning so far, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.